Hello guys, welcome back to our channel HardReset.Info. In this video I'm gonna show you how to switch on nearby share on your phone with Google Pixel, so let's start. So at first you need to scroll down this panel like this, and then scroll right, and you can see quick share right here. Click on it and then click turn on quick share. So then we can choose who can share with you, for example, your devices, contacts, everyone, for example, everyone. Click right here and then click done right here. So guys, it's all, and if you like to share, for example, photo or video, you can just enter to your gallery, quick share right here, and then click quick share right here. So, and then you need to take another device and put it close to your device. And it's all guys, so if you like this video and if you like our channel, please subscribe and see you later guys. Bye bye.